Welcome back to episode 2 of the OG's training series. I'm Nightmare Reaper. Today we are back here at the Golf Plus Clubhouse on the range. For our lesson today, we're going to be heading to this third green structure just over here. So we're going to teleport there after jumping into giant mode. And somewhere between the bunker and the fairway, or the rough there, is perfect. Okay, once we're here, we're going to set up the ball. So if you press the B or the Y button, if you're left controller, click place ball, holding the controller in your hand. Imagine you're about to hit a shot and drop the ball at your feet, pressing the trigger button. Realign yourself. So today's lesson, we're going to be looking at chipping and chipping feel. So feel is being able to judge that distance, feeling the club head as it comes through. Hopefully these will give you a little bit more confidence as you're out on the course, being able to judge the distance of your shots. So we've got a great little area here. We're going to target a few different spots. The first area is going to be this fringe. The second area is this middle section here. The third area is the pin itself. So today, we're not worried too much about getting the ball close to the hole. It's all about that distance control and landing the ball where you want it to. So this first one, it might take you a couple to get them dialed in. We're going to aim for that fringe area there. So nice smooth shot through the ball. And then once you start to get dialed in, just hit shot after shot, trying to land on that fringe. So do that, say a dozen, 2 dozen times, whatever you feel you need to, until you start to get this nice little group going here. Once you've done that, move on to the next area, which is this middle section. So obviously this time a little bit more force required. So feel that distance, just like you're throwing a ball up onto the green. And again, do this again and again until you start to feel you're grouping the balls in this area here. The next area, we're going to aim at the back here towards the pin. Again, same thing, feel the force, and then hit your shot. Oh, it's got to get up. Let's do that one again. Feel it. Here we go. You can actually hear the difference in that swing speed there. A little bit more. There we go. Lovely. So once you sort of dialed in those 3 distances, what I want you to do is then start just randomly picking one of those for yourself. So let's go front edge, the pin, middle, the pin. Oh, that's short. Let's go the pin again. So work your way up and down through those shots until you're starting to feel confident of hitting those different areas. Now, with me, I've got 3 sort of styles of chips. So that chip that I've been doing now is sort of my medium chip. So it's slight open club face, and it's sort of a nice little punchy shot up, and it rolls out a little bit. I've also got, if I do the same thing, let's aim at the front fringe again, hands forward, and it's a lot more punchier, and it will run. And then we've got the flop. So with the flop, my feet are pointed about 45 degrees left of target. My club face is 45 degrees right of the target. And let's go that front edge again with the flop. You can see it's obviously a lot higher as well. And you can do that same thing with those styles of chips. So let's work on the flop. Let's go the middle of the green. Let's go up in line with the pin. And you can just work forward and backwards through all those as well. If you find that every time you hit those shots, you're finding that your ball is either long or short, it may be your settings. So if we go into the settings, swing, global. So my chipping feel is generally set to 35 soft. So if I was to hit that shot to the front of the fringe there, now, if I was to hit that exact same shot, but with a chipping feel of soft 100, exactly the same shot, we're going to see it go short. Now, if we do the reverse and put it on 100 firm, hit that same shot, it's obviously going a lot further. So play around with that chipping feel. It's going to be different for everyone, and it's just a matter of dialing it in so it is right for you. So that is it. I hope that this helps you out. Really just work on feeling those distances, and then it's all about repeating that over and over again until you build that muscle memory and that confidence in those shots. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.